whisper to the ground. Quiet footsteps, not a sound. Candles flicker, shadows play around.
Have you ever wanted to make a Christmas song music video using AI, but felt it was impossible or it would require expensive tools? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own Christmas music video using completely free AI tools. It is quick, it is easy, and you will be amazed at what you can make. Right then, let's dive in. To create this type of Christmas music video is super simple. The first thing you need is your own original AI Christmas music. So to create your own original AI Christmas music, head over to Suno AI and sign up with your email address. Once you are in, you will see the welcome interface. And as a free user, you usually get 50 free credits. That's not bad, right? At least for a start. Now click on Create. This takes you to the music creation interface. At the top, you will see two options, Simple and Custom. I am choosing Simple because I do not have lyrics. If you have lyrics, select the Custom option, paste in your lyrics, and generate your song. But for this video, we are doing a no lyrics quick method. Click on Simple, then give a short description of your song. Here's what I typed. I want to create an original soothing Christmas song. The song should feel fun, happy, nostalgic, ambient, calm. The vocalist should be a female. Then hit Create. Suno will generate two options, two pro and two free. Listen to the free ones and pick the one you like. If you are not satisfied, simply redo it. Once you have chosen your favorite, click the three dots, scroll down and select MP3 audio, click on download. Boom, your song is ready. Comment Suno if you got your music downloaded already. Next, since we have gotten our Christmas AI song, we need to visualize it with beautiful matching images or video clips. So go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I want to create a Christmas music video. Give me suitable matching scenes. Add this text. Vibrant, cozy, glossy, 4K render. My song is 2 minutes 41 seconds long and each animated scene is 5 seconds. This is very important because ChatGPT will use your song length plus the 5 second scene to calculate how many scenes you need for your music video. In my case, it gave me 32 scenes for a 2 minutes plus Christmas song. Again, don't panic. We are still doing everything for free. If you are learning something new, please do me a favor. Share this video with a friend who loves AI tools. Like it and subscribe. Now, we need to convert the scenes into actual video clips. So since ChatGPT has given me prompts for the different scenes, I need to head over to Grok AI. Remember, Grok AI is a free tool that you can use to generate videos and images. So I'll be using Grok AI text to video feature. Select the video option, then paste in your scene by scene prompts. Make sure each scene includes those magic keywords: vibrant, cozy, glossy, 4K render. Generate your first scene, download it, then repeat for all scenes until you have the full collection. And as you can see, the result came out really good. Now it's time to put everything together. Open any video editor, be it CapCut or InShot. Import all your video clips accordingly. Add your AI Christmas song from Suno. Make sure that the video clips, sometimes they usually have their own audio. Make sure you mute it. Arrange each clip to match your music timing. Add captions if you like. And that is it. You just created a full soothing AI Christmas music video completely for free. If this tutorial helped you, please do me a huge favor. Like this video, share it. You can also support my work and subscribe for more smart AI tutorials.
Snowflakes whisper to the ground, quiet footsteps, not a sound. Candles flicker, shadows play around. Every corner holds a spark, twinkling lights ignite the dark. Under the mistletoe glow, hearts are warm, the world feels slow. Every laugh, every cheer brings the magic of the Stockings sway like they can dream. Cocoa swirls with clouds of steam.